Hey friends, TUXX here. For this particular video, I'm going to talk a little bit more about the Microsoft Surface that you'll see right back here. I did an unboxing for this about a week or so back. If you go back in my queue, you'll see the video. But for this particular video, I'll be unboxing a keyboard that goes along with it. So we're going to show that, and I'm going to talk a little bit more about my feelings of using a Surface version 6. This is a Surface Pro 6 for about a week or so now, okay? And first, let's go ahead and do the unboxing. In this box right here is the keyboard. Now we'll have links for both these products down below, so be sure and click that link to get yours at the best price possible. Either of these things will make a great Christmas gift, I believe. And let's go ahead and open this up to show you the keyboard. Now this keyboard, I believe, is refurbished, as was the Surface, actually, so you can get them at a really good price. And it's a really pretty capable little PC or tablet. And in fact, I was doing things which I didn't think I could do on here, like playing like Xbox Live games, and they were actually playing at a really good frame rate. So I was really pleased with the gaming performance on Surface, which is something I really didn't expect, I've also been using it just for doing like little light reading and emails and stuff like that, and keeping up a little bit better with my Twitter and such. Okay, so here we go. So inside the box here is going to be the keyboard. They just have it in a little padded envelope, so I guess it's padded, so I guess that's a good sign. We'll go ahead and open this up. Now, one of the big draws of the Surface keyboard is how it connects and the magneticness of it. I don't want to break this, but it looks like it's taped really well. Maybe I can cut the bottom, perhaps? Let's see. Boy, I almost feel like just ripping it open here. We'll just do that. We'll just rip it open like a kid at Christmas time. And I should mention this would probably make a really nice Christmas gift for somebody. So if you're looking for someone who needs a Surface tablet, this is something which might work. And the keyboard is something which is nice. Again, I've had Surfaces before, and again, this is refurbished, so this could look like trash. Looking at the back here, it looks nice. Now, one thing interesting about the back of these keyboards, this is a type keyboard that has real keys, as opposed to the touch keyboard that's more like just like a piece of plastic you can touch on, okay? Now, this has a nice kind of almost like velour kind of feel to it. It's definitely like a material. It's soft to the touch. It feels nice. Feels quality, actually, which is really nice. But being refurbished, I don't know what this underside, the keyboard, is going to look like. This could look like complete trash. So we'll see here. So here we go. 1, 2, and 3. And you know what? That looks pretty good. Look at that. Yes, okay. And one thing again about this keyboard, which really makes it nice, is the fact these are real keys. Okay, so when you feel this, it has a tactile feel to it. Like it's a small, like probably 1 millimeter deep keyboard, which actually could be kind of good for gaming in a way, especially if you're going for, clicks per second, CPS in like some kind of game like StarCraft or something. But nice keyboard. I know you guys like to hear the keys. This is not mechanical. This is just almost more of a chiclet style keyboard, but it does have a nice feel to it. And when you touch the keyboard, I can feel a springiness to it that is reminiscent of a keyboard that's kind of like mechanical-like. I'll be quiet here and just hit the keys for a second for you. Not real loud. Definitely not like a mechanical keyboard, but feels real good. The touchpad itself is a little wider, almost like a widescreen TV or something. So that's interesting how they made that very wide. It doesn't really have mouse buttons, but it is clickable on either side. So I'm not as much of a fan of this like left-right click, but I have used this keyboard before, and actually it's very functional and feels very good. On the side here, it's just kind of I don't know if I want to say burnt, kind of melted together, kind of glued together. So it's nice seam to it. Nothing is fraying or falling apart. And all in all, this keyboard, both the back cloth side, which you can see the Microsoft where this is a official keyboard, Microsoft right there, and then the keyboard itself, it feels really nice. This is a non-backlit keyboard, although I believe that there are versions available that do have backlight, and some of the newer versions for Surface 7 Plus have a pen hole right here where you can stick the pen in and it will charge as it sits. Now, to show you how this clicks in place, it's very easy. In fact, this is the magnetic bottom part here, and this actually just wants to go in place. So you just click it like that, and it's that simple. It just kind of snaps right in place. So it wants to, you see, now it's already detecting it, which is really cool. Okay, so we have the keyboard hooked up here, and I just wanted to show you real quickly as you type things. It's quite responsive. I'm just seeing random letters here. I'm not really trying to type anything. It's very quick. It's not laggy or anything weird, so I do like that. And nice. It has a nice feel to it, too, to tell you the truth. I like the way this feels It feels soft to the touch, and it's a very quick, responsive keyboard, which is really nice too, which sometimes the tablets can get a little laggy, so it's really refreshing the fact that this particular keyboard does good. It's got the Windows key there, pops right up. Everything is very good with this. I'd say it's a winner. I'd say it's definitely a must-have for a Surface owner, and even if you don't use a keyboard a lot, it kind of also serves as kind of a cover for it, so you can pop it down. This helps keep the screen nice when you're not using your Surface, so I do like that as well. And you're ready to use it, just pop it out, and it's ready to go then, which is great. And again, this snaps on very easily. You'll see the magnet is very strong. It really wants to snap right in place, like just like that. And it has kind of a pleasing click. Let me do it one more time. And it does look for a positive and negative, so if you're too far to one side or the other, it won't make contact, obviously, because the magnets aren't going to work. But as long as you generally have it in the right spot, it just clicks right in. So I definitely like that click. It's very nice. Once it gets that first magnet, it wants to go up a little to raise it about 1/4 of an inch. So when you're typing, it actually has a little bit of an angle. Okay, so to recap, this is the Microsoft Touch keyboard for the Surface Pro 6, okay? And I would say this is a winner. You can, of course, buy this from Microsoft and pay like double, triple the price, but I recommend getting it from Amazon. This turned out very nice. It looks very good quality, just like new. All the keys are very nice. It doesn't have like worn in spots or anything strange, you know, and the back is nice and clean as well. Nice felt look to it. So definitely something which was not only functional with being a keyboard, but also practical, keep the screen nice too. So it kind of serves a few purposes there. And the fact that you can get this much cheaper than buying it brand new from Microsoft with my Amazon link is definitely a plus as well, okay? If you guys have any questions about the Surface Pro 6, let me know. I have been adding a lot of music to this, as you might imagine. If you see my other videos, I have a lot of music player videos, DAP players, HD music videos, that kind of thing. And so I've been adding this music collection to this, and part of the reason for getting this is actually just being a way to keep my music organized and retag MP3s and all that good stuff. So anyway, it's a great use for that as well too. So if you have any questions, again, guys, let me know. And of course, click that link to get the best price, okay? I want to thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate it. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.